Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into everything beauty with a fresh perspective. Have you ever experienced a nail color that grabs attention the moment you step out? Well, today we're talking about OPI's A-Rose at Dawn, Broke by Noon, a rich, opaque, deep purple shimmer that promises to be both chic and chip-resistant. But does it live up to those claims? Let's find out together. OPI's A-Rose at Dawn Broke by Noon is part of their classic lacquer line and comes in a 15 milliliter bottle. This polish is marketed as fast-drying, vegan, streak-free, and of course, chip-resistant. The color itself is an alluring deep purple with a subtle shimmer that adds an elegant touch to any look. It's a pearlescent finish, which means you get this beautiful shine without the need for a top coat. What's more, it promises shine that lasts until you decide to take it off. No midweek touch-ups required. Let's talk about application. The brush is OPI's signature Pro Wide brush, which makes it easy to cover the nail in just a few strokes. I found the formula to be smooth and easy to work with. It glides on without dragging or streaking. The first coat is opaque, but I recommend 2 for that perfect coverage. It dries quickly, so you won't be sitting around waiting for hours before you can go about your day. I tested it over a few days, and I have to say, the color stayed intact without any significant chipping or peeling. Now let's get into the pros and cons. The pros are clear. This nail lacquer is stunning with its deep purple shade, and the shimmer gives it a sophisticated vibe. The formula itself is easy to work with, no streaks, no mess. The fact that it dries fast and is chip-resistant is a huge plus, especially for those who don't have time for constant touch-ups. On the flip side, the only downside I found is that while it is marketed as chip-resistant, it's not entirely invincible. After 4 or 5 days, I did notice some very minor wear along the tips, but nothing major. It's not a deal breaker by any means, especially since most nail polishes need some upkeep. As for value for money, OPI is a trusted brand, so you know you're getting quality. At around $10 to $12 per bottle, this polish is in line with mid-range nail lacquers. It's a bit pricier than drugstore options, but it definitely delivers. If you're after a high-quality nail polish with great performance and a luxurious look, this one is worth it. I've compared this to some other deep purple shades I have in my collection, and while there are cheaper options out there, none quite deliver the same smooth, streak-free application and chip resistance. If you're on a budget, you could go for a drugstore brand, but you may not get the same level of lasting power. Looking at the build quality, OPI's lacquer feels sturdy. The packaging is classic, with a glass bottle and a solid cap that makes application easy. It's simple but effective, and the formula holds up well. The shine lasts as promised, and the polish does its job without losing its luster too quickly. If you've ever needed to reach out to OPI's customer service, you'll find their team to be pretty responsive and helpful. I've read positive reviews regarding their customer care, which is always a nice bonus when you buy a product from a reputable brand. For those of you who are on the hunt for a similar product, but might not want to spend the full price, there are alternatives that offer decent results. However, in this case, the OPI formula and color payoff are hard to match at a lower price point. If you're looking for a quick alternative, there are other brands that offer deep purple shades, but they may not have the same long-lasting effect. To wrap it up, OPI's A-Rose at Dawn, Broke by Noon offers a lot of great features. Easy application, fast drying, and a beautiful long-lasting color. It's a solid investment for those who want a quality nail polish that doesn't require constant touch-ups. While it's not entirely immune to wear and tear, it's definitely worth the price for the performance it provides. If you've enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more honest beauty reviews from Beautyistic. Your support means the world and helps us continue to bring you the most reliable beauty insights. Thanks for watching, and if you've used this nail polish before, drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.